beautiful people, thank you so much. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. For those ones who have clicked for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Stella Perita. I'm a YouTuber in Kenya. I do a lot of things: makeup, cooking, nails, and what have you. So if you just clicked and you are new in my YouTube, please just help me subscribe to that channel, help me grow it. Yeah, and I'll really appreciate it. Click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be notified and you can watch. So guys, enough with the whole everything. So today guys, okay, we are going to do eyebrow tutorial in depth for beginner friendly. I'm going to make it as easy as possible so that anyone can try it, and I'm really majoring on those ones who are beginning. Yeah, the beginners, or you can do it in an easy way, and way that you can be able to do it, and you can have a fabulous looking eyebrow. So straight to the video. So guys, I'm starting with the brushing of my eyebrow. Okay, that's not a spoolie, but spoolie is the best tool when it comes to brushing of your eyebrow. Okay, as for me, I've just improvised. I'm using the mascara brush. That's what I'm using today. But if you want to have that good brushed eyebrow, you have to use a spoolie. Yeah, so a spoolie is kind of curved compared with the whatever I'm using right now. Yeah, so this one guys helps you to give you the angle that you want. And today guys, I'm using Davis eye pencil number 18, shade 18, should I say like that. And the eye pencil should be sharp, of course. And I'm going in with, so like I'm not going in deep, I'm just going in light with a line at my lower eyebrow first. Just take it slow and not in deep. Yeah, I'm just going in with that on my, and you don't have to go overway, you don't have to go past that place that I've just pointed. Now I'm going on my upper eye, my upper eyes, of course. Just guys, in fact, when you're a beginner, you have just to be so conscious, and you have to be, you just don't have to press the eye pencil in. You just have to be very light, just go light, so that whenever you do any mistake, you can be able to correct it. So guys, I'm done. The both side I've not filled in yet. I've just drawn the outer, the lower and the upper, yeah, line. So I'm using a bar technique, yeah, to press in my eyebrows, the inner part of it, my ears. I want them to lie as flat as possible. You can also use a lash glue, yeah, but you can also use a bar soap. The bar soap should be wet. Yeah, so you just move the spoolie over it, then you brush on your eyebrows. Then you brush going upwards guys, then you press using your hands like that until the soap that you've applied gets to dry fast before doing anything else. You will also feel the stretch kinda, yeah, is that stretch kinda. Okay, this one helps for those ones who normally sweat after just applying eye pencil. You can use this technique. You can also use an eyelash or the soap that I've used, or you can go in with the primer. And guys, you just have to let it set for a while. before going on to the next stage. So at this stage, when it has dried off, you can just go on and fill the places where you feel there's too much space. So guys, you just fill the places you feel there's too much space. Not all over, not everywhere, but just the spaces, the places where you feel there's too much space, you just fill as you go. And guys, there's a new style I'm launching. Let me just say I'm launching like it is mine. I've invented it myself. So if you see somebody else using it, it's me, the pioneer, you know. So you take pro concealer, that's any concealer you have, put it on your hand, then use a spoolie or an any brush that you have, run it over the product, then go at the innermost corner of your eyebrow and run it over. Just take it or from down going upwards, you press and you go upwards. That one, as you can see, it makes the hair looks more natural, as you can see, yeah, with some spaces. So guys, this is mine. I'm so proud of it. I just thought about it and I just said, let me try it and see how it works. So I just tried it on my hand and I saw it was working. So you just have to be so generous with or you have to go slow with the products. Yeah, you don't have to put a lot of products. Again, cleaning my under eyebrows, I'm going to use the same Elegant Pro Concealer. That's what I'm using to clean my eyebrows. Guys, let me know about that new technique that I've come up with. Do you like it? And I'll continue doing the same new technique so that you guys can understand okay what I was trying to do. So cleaning my eyebrow, you are supposed to use an angle brush. So you just put in your concealer and you brush as gentle as possible. You don't want to go overboard and spoil everything that you work so hard. I know, hey, drawing eyebrows is hard though. It's not something, easy. So you just have to go as gentle as possible. So guys, as you clean off your eyebrow, you have to drag the concealer down. This one will help you later while blending the concealer. The concealer really dries off really fast. I will show you guys, because as for mine, I didn't blend after cleaning the eyebrows. You will see how muddy it got because it dries off very fast. I don't know, it's just made that way. So as you go, you drag the concealer down, and I'll advise the beginners, you drag it down and you blend, then you go to the next eye to clean off. Don't just, because you just have to take your time, As for me, I just cleaned and I dragged it down. I did not blend, so it kind of dried and it was so difficult for me to blend in everything. So guys, to avoid that, you just have to clean off your eyebrow as you drag down, as you blend, and as you go. Then you finish from one eye to the next. So guys, yeah, that's it, as easy as that when it comes to cleaning off your eyebrows. Cleaning off gives it that shape that you cannot do it with only the eye pencil. The concealer does all the magic. So on my upper eyebrow, I'm using Baby Skin Foundation. I think I should switch to another type of foundation. I am not saying like the baby skin foundation is bad, but I just want to try another type of foundation and see how it works. So guys, when I try it first, I'll try it with you. And guys, click on the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you can be notified and you can watch and you can comment and you can like. Yeah, so guys, I'm using the baby skin foundation to clean up eyebrow. As you can see, it's as easy as that, basically. And whenever you make a mistake, you can always go back and correct it and continue. Yeah, it is not something that it's uncorrectable. It is correctable. You just go back, you correct, and you continue. See how fabulous these lines are. The ones I did with the whole thing of my mascara brush. I am so proud of myself. Oh, hi. Goodness. So guys, you just have to be so gentle and relax. Don't have shaky hands. If you are shaking, oh my god, how am I doing? You're going to spoil everything that you really, really want to do. So guys, that's how you clean off your eyebrows. As simple as that, guys. As I have said, I'll just repeat it. It is not just a mandate, it's not a fixed thing. Whenever you do a mistake, you can always go back and correct it. It's so simple like that. And guys, just try and make the eyebrows look as identical as possible. Just try. Mine is a bit, not that identical, but I liked the right eyebrow, so I did not want to correct it and spoil everything. And I liked both. Okay, you can also do like the right one. You can do the right one, the whole of your eyes, or the left one, the left style, the whole of your eyes, just the way you like it. So guys, as you can see, the concealer has gotten so sticky, you see, because I left it for a while I was cleaning the other eyebrows. So it really gives you a hard time when it comes to blending. Like I had to really struggle, and it has not even blended well. So you get to struggle with it so that it can blend well, because you left it to set for a while and it got sticky. And concealer dries off very fast compared to eyeshadow, and guys, compared to foundation. Sorry guys. And guys, if you opt to use the concealer, you just on your upper eyebrow, you're supposed to use 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Then on your lower eyebrow, you're supposed to use 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, because you cannot compare the skin tone under your eyebrows and the skin tone up your eyebrows. There's a very big difference. If you use the concealer you used on your under eyebrow as cleaning the upper eyebrow, you're going to have a certain line, a white line around there, and it's not going to look good. So you just have to, that's why I prefer you just use a foundation that matches with your skin tone. You can use it to clean on your upper eyebrow to make everything simple. So guys, that's the look. I hope you like it. Leave a comment. Any comment? Did you like the style? Did you not like it? Is it cute or what? Just say it and I will answer them. Thank you guys for watching.